Welcome to Young Urban Project. Instagram has just launched new selfie stickers for DMs and I'm going to show you how to use them. Just go to your DMs, just type in any emoji and you will see this new sticker appearing on the left side. Just click on that sticker and you can see the selfie sticker panel now. You can select any of these selfie stickers and these are all animated ones, and just check out all of them. They are really cool. I think that's a great idea that Instagram has launched this. Once you have gone through all of them and then you have selected the right one, all you need to do is just press that boomerang button that you can see below. You can see this round one. Just press that and your selfie sticker is ready and you can send it during your conversations to anyone. How cool is that? If you'd like more such updates, follow Young Urban Project.